Hi, it's HardReset, and in today's video I'll show you how to create a free account in Steam 2025. First, click on Create a free account in the bottom right corner. Now, type in your email address. And confirm your address. Then verify and click confirm. Now check your email for a code. Now enter your account name and choose password. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.